So you have that particular issue. I think one of the things to really nail into, you asked about the progression, I guess, of how products have become more addictive, driving a lot of behaviors that we don't see as positive. Like, okay, so when James said the past few years I've been doing my own thing, I've literally been living on a farm for 3 years, planting 20,000 trees, learning how to do a food forest. Because, yeah, if I'm raising my kids, I want them to actually be able to live on a farm, and be a little bit more in touch with the realities of what it means to be on this planet. And one thing that I've learned is that, to take it back to what Hanju was talking about, the human body is so much more intelligent than we give it credit for. We talk about AI, right? But AI, because it's built on 1% of the data that we've generated as human beings, that's one thing. But secondly, it's built on all these data points that through our product. So I know there's some entrepreneurs here and some investors, hopefully some a bit more technical. I'm not going to use too many technical terms, but if you guys know what information architecture is in product design, it's really around figuring out what are all the steps that a user takes through a product and what are the data points that we want to capture. Now, the thing is, when we start to capture this information, it's all what we would consider cognitive information. When someone creates a data point that we capture as a product company or as a data company, you talk about companies like Meta, companies like even Tesla, they have, like you say, these data silos. And these data silos, they never want to break it open because it's so valuable to them. And it's valuable to them because they have, through their product design and their information architecture, collected a lot of interesting data points. But that's all cognitively driven.